The legendary Blue Prehistoric Bird jumpsuit, also known as the Blue Egyptian Bird or Blue Bicentennial jumpsuit, debuted March 21, 1976. This iconic piece is one of two designed with the distinct prehistoric bird motif. This striking version features a blue base with elegant white silk puff sleeves and a matching belt, while its counterpart offered the colors in reverse. Often called the bicentennial suits for their frequent appearances in 1976, these weren't just stage wear. The extraordinary artistry and meticulous embroidery, with every stitch carefully thought out, elevate these jumpsuits to genuine works of art, embodying Elvis's unique style.